I am Shaktidhar. Through this YouTube channel, I will present about various car brands of various car models of various car brands with their features. So today we will see the Tata Altroz. The Tata's premium hatchback has scored 5-star rating in safety by Global New Car Assessment Program or Global NCAP. The premium hatchback has been priced at rupees of 5.29 lakhs to rupees 9.34 lakhs. There are 5 variants in diesel and petrol. It comes with more packs. XC has XC Rhythm. XM has 3 packs. XM Style, XM Rhythm, XM Rhythm Plus Style. XT has 1 pack. XT Lux. XZ has 1 pack. XZ Urban. XZO also has the same XZ Urban pack. The ex-showroom price for XC normal without pack is rupees 6.99 lakhs. The XC Rhythm pack rupees 7.24 lakhs. XM without pack rupees 7.75 lakhs. XM Style pack rupees 8.09 lakhs. XM Rhythm Plus Style pack comes rupees 8.39 lakhs. XE without any pack rupees 8.44 lakhs. XT Lux rupees 8.83 lakhs. XZ rupees 9.04 lakhs. XZO rupees 9.29 lakhs. XZ Urban 9.39 lakhs. For the diesel variant, the diesel model of Tata Altroz is powered by 1.5 liter turbocharged BS6 diesel engine. We will go for the petrol variant. The Tata Altroz has the petrol variants as the same as the diesel variants. The XC Rhythm, XM Style, XM Rhythm Plus Style, XT Lux, XZ, XZO, XZ Urban. The ex-showroom price for XC without any pack is rupees 5.29 lakhs. XC Rhythm is rupees 5.54 lakhs. XM without pack is rupees 6.15 lakhs. XM Style is rupees 6.49 lakhs. XM Rhythm is rupees 6.54 lakhs. XM Rhythm Plus Style is rupees 6.79 lakhs. XT without any pack is rupees 6.84 lakhs. XT Lux is rupees 7.23 lakhs. XZ is rupees 7.44 lakhs. XZO is rupees 7.69 lakhs. XZ Urban is rupees 7.74 lakhs. We'll go for the ABS with EBD, dual front airbags, isofix child anchorages for child seats, central locking, idle stop start, corner stability control, electronic stability program, brake assist, high speed alert system, driver co-driver seatbelt reminder, engine immobilizer, collapsible steering present in every variant. Only the tire pressure monitor is not available. The gold standard of safety has Alpha Arc, agile, light, flexible, advanced architecture, anti-lock braking system with advanced 9.3 anti-lock braking system, electronic brake force distribution, corner stability control as mentioned, dual front airbags, reverse parking camera, isofix anchorage for child seats, voice alerts, parking assistance, height adjustable seat belt, fog lamps, etc. The Tata Altroz also comes with 90-degree open doors. We will go for the next slide. Advanced feature in Tata Altroz XC. Alpha architecture construction, advanced ABS 9.3 with EBD corner stability control, headlamp leveling, drive away locking, automatic door relocking if no entry for 30 seconds, Key lockout protection, front seat belt with load limiter. We will go for the next. The Tata Altroz XM. The Tata Altroz XM also shares the variant, gets the safety features from the XE variant. Advanced ABS 9.3 with EBD corner stability control, headlamp leveling, alpha architecture construction, drive-away locking, automatic door relocking, key lockout protection, front seat belt with load limiter. We'll go for the Tata Altroz XT. The Tata Altroz XT safety features differs from the XE and the XM variants. Alpha architecture construction, advanced ABS 9.3 with EBD corner stability control, reverse parking camera, voice alerts, drive mode engaged, seat belt reminder, tailgate open, headlamp leveling, anti-glare IRVM, drive-away locking, perimetric alarm system, automatic door relocking if no entry for 30 seconds, key lockout protection, front seat belt with load limiter and dual horn. Tata Altroz XZ Alpha architecture construction, advanced ABS 9.3 with EBD corner stability control, reverse parking camera with dynamic guideways, voice alert if door open for all doors, drive mode engaged, seat belt reminder, tailgate open, front fog lamps with cornering function, headlamp leveling, smart rear wiper and wash system, rain sensing wipers, anti-glare IRVM, drive-away locking, perimetric alarm system, automatic door relocking if no entry for 30 seconds, key lockout protection, front seat belt with load limiter, dual horn. Tata Altroz XZO. The Tata Altroz XZO shares the safety features from the XZ variant. The same safety features. The only difference between Tata Altroz XZ and XZO is that the XZO is the dual tone variant. The Tata Altroz interior. The Tata Altroz comes with 17.79 infotainment system by Harman Limited. The Tata Altroz airbags. It comes with 2 airbags. The Tata Altroz has bagged 5-star rating for adult safety and 3-star rating for child safety. Thank you. Keep watching for new additions of car brands.